settle if you want. 'Cause I've been thinking about your love. I wonder if you feel the same as me.
Hi guys! Happy birthday to me. Oh my god. Today is a very special day. Oh my god, I'm vlogging guys. Cut the profanities. Right? Today is March 27 and I am 23 years old already. I'm so old. We're on the way to Conrad. That's where I'm gonna be celebrating my birthday. And yeah, we're just gonna eat lunch. It's a birthday lunch and yeah, I don't know what we're gonna be doing for the rest of the day, but right now we're going to eat lunch. I'm wearing this red top that I bought last minute and also a skirt. This gazelle. I also will be bringing this cardigan with me. See you there. Happy birthday!
Huwag kang pahalo sa lips, ha?
Happy birthday! Oh, sit down na. Sit down na. Ay, sus naman.
Hindi ba pakali?
Sit down na. Si Mami Lu yan. Si Mami Lu yan, oh. Sit down.
Bakit? Tatakot ka sa akin.
Arte. Ay, no. No. Say hi to the vlog. Hi to the birthday vlog. Tapos, sabi niya, hindi, ng liga na mismo. Pwede ako mag-report. What's this?
One more.
I'm 23. Happy birthday. So plain. Nasira na siya. Nakakapuro-thirst ka. Dessert. Frapri.
Tato ka pa din.
Unahin ko tong broom broom.
Ayan.
Bakit ganito ang wrapper? From
Papa?
pajama. It's a pajama, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ano to? Barbie Playhouse. Hala, ito yung wishlist ko eh. Ayaw mo talaga sa Is this silver? Thank you, Mama. What's this? Shoes? Oh, I know what this is. Galing mo to sa wishlist ko. I'm gonna cry. Ang arte. Galing mo to sa wishlist ko. Yung makeup ni Sami. Hi, John Somi. Bilhin yun. Wow!
Fairness. Kita.
Thank you, Mom.
Another one, thank you.
Sa July pa lang. This is my favorite. Your favorite snack? Yeah.
Ipupush na natin tong vlog na to kasi kailangan na natin maging
pera.
YouTube famous ng pera. Kaming fully booked.
Yun yung bago? No, it's done.
Ikaw na lang maging Sunny Angel.
Ilang cute.
Ate, oh. Ikaw na to. Ang cute naman.
Seize the day.
Ito na lang, Teo. Dream baby.
Ano naman to?
Shinchan, no?
Ay,
Wow!
unbox tayo.
Hi!
Hello.
Unboxing. ASMR. Wala join.
Pagka dito maganda. Hindi ko si... Ay. Sarap! Ganun din, di ba siya?
Oh my God! Ay, oh my
Ay,
God!
okay lang. Ako, so meron na ako.
Eh,
Ayaw yun.
cute!
Dahil ano siya ngayon, as a hiker. As a hiker.
Nasa high. Gusto ko ano si Poppy kasi wala pa akong Poppy.
Poppy lifeguard.
Oo, kasi yung white yung
Poppy reception guard.
Ano to? I feel like we played twice.
Oo nga eh. Ang
Ay,
cute.
ang ganda ng camera. Automatic siyang If you like me, blink twice.